Are you ready to turn your online presence into a money-making machine? Look no further, because affiliate marketing is the solution you've been searching for. This powerful marketing strategy pays you for promoting products you love and believe in. With affiliate marketing, there's no need to create your own products or invest in advertising. All you need is a website, a social media presence, or a platform to start promoting and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with affiliate marketing and reach your $1,000 goal with the easiest method for beginners. By promoting high-ticket items, you can earn substantial commissions with just one sale. So, are you ready to turn your online presence into a profitable business? Get ready to learn the secrets of affiliate marketing success. But before we go any further, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where companies reward affiliates for each customer brought about by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. Essentially, you promote a company's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. It's a simple and effective way to make money online. Why affiliate marketing is a great opportunity. One of the great things about affiliate marketing is that it requires very little upfront investment. All you need is a website or a social media presence, and you can start promoting products and earning commissions. With the right strategy, you can make a lot of money in a short amount of time without having to create your own products or invest a lot of money in advertising. The $1,000 method. Now let's talk about the $1,000 method. This method is based on promoting high-ticket items, which are products that cost more than $1,000. The idea is that by promoting just one of these products, you can earn a significant commission, which can add up to $1,000 or more. It's a great way to make a substantial income with minimal effort. Step 1. Finding the right products to promote. The first step in this method is to find high-ticket products that are in demand and relevant to your target audience. You can start by researching popular niches and finding products that are being widely promoted by other affiliates. Look for products that have high commissions, positive reviews, and a strong track record of sales. Step 2. Building a targeted audience. Once you have a product in mind, the next step is to build an audience of people who are interested in that product. This can be done through social media, your website, or email marketing. Make sure to focus on a specific niche and target audience so you can reach the right people with your message. By building a targeted audience, you'll be able to promote your products more effectively and get better results. Step 3. Promoting the products. Once you have a targeted audience, it's time to start promoting your products. This can be done through social media posts, blog posts, email marketing, and more. Make sure to use eye-catching visuals and persuasive language to grab your audience's attention. Highlight the benefits of the product and why it's worth the investment. Also, don't be afraid to use bonuses or incentives to encourage people to buy through your affiliate link. Step 4. Tracking your results and making adjustments. Finally, it's important to track your results and see what's working and what's not. This will help you make adjustments and improve your results over time. You can use tools like Google Analytics to track your traffic, conversions, and sales. Pay attention to what's driving the most conversions and focus your efforts on those areas. Congratulations! You now have the knowledge and tools to start your affiliate marketing journey and turn your passion into profit. Remember, success in affiliate marketing requires consistency, hard work, and the right strategy. By following the $1,000 method for beginners, you'll be on your way to earning big bucks and reaching your financial goals. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on affiliate marketing and other money-making strategies. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.